So this is the current prototype. I just want to show a few of the things that are implemented. So I have a melee weapon equipped. So there is a auto attack going off every 2 seconds. I can change into a bow where my skill change into a projectile. This totem has quite some HP just for testing. Gold is on auto loot and other type of items. Hey everyone, I'm working on an RPG and wanted to share the process. This is kind of a dev journal, so I will be showing the progress as I go. The game is still like in a very early stages, mostly just a rough prototype at this point, just focusing on exploring some of the core system. My goal is to just have fun creating a game that I would enjoy playing. I don't really know where this will go, and probably if I stop having fun, I will probably stop developing it. I've drawn inspiration from several games that I love and I played a lot. I think the combat feel, I want to go for something like Vampire Survivor or Halls of Torment, where all the skills and everything is auto-attacking. So to simplify the combat under that aspect. For the itemization and progression and builds, and this is the complicated part of the project. And since I'm a big PoE, Diablo 2 and Last Epoch and RPGs in general, I really like the crafting and itemization and item progression and character building on those games. So I want to try to capture a little bit of that essence. And lastly, and this is something that I'm not 100% sure yet, but I like the idea of having a room-based roguelite experience. So where like the mapping is about doing, runs room by room, where there are some elements that get resetted and powers that are acquired and are resetted at every run. But this is the idea at the moment. There is only one single room, and I'm just trying the tile map, so it looks a bit ugly. But the idea is that this is a room, there will be a bunch of enemies, and when you clear the room, you can move on. So you can find items that you can keep across runs, and this is just me testing out, item on the ground, gold on the ground. And this is the idea of the roguelite part, where you can find some powers or item that buff your build or not, only for this run. I'm still debating about clearing the room before moving to the next. This is something that will be tested. And the idea is that, as you complete and your power grows, higher and higher level maps will allow you to scale, and items that you can find will be better and your skills become better and so on. And I think, 2D kind of Vampire Survivor Binding of Isaac allow for some interesting boss. If this video is of any interest, let me know if you would rather see more about the game design part of the game, dive into the code, what I'm doing so far, how things are set up. The only thing that I'm not an artist, so everything that you see is just placeholder stuff that either I quickly did or come from bundles that I purchased in the past. But yeah, do let me know if there is something in particular that is interesting to you.